In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Sharing. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a single trade publicly viewable and grab a link you can send to a mentor, a trading group, or anyone you want to show your work to. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along with confidence. First, head to the Trades area in your Tradervue account and open the specific trade you want to share. You want to be on the full trade detail page, where you can see everything related to that trade, like entries, exits, charts, and notes. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right trade pulled up, especially if you're working with multiple executions on the same symbol. The goal here is to make sure you're viewing the exact trade you intend to share before you switch anything on. Next, look for the Share Trade option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a checkbox, a toggle, or a button labeled Share or Share Trade. You'll usually find it near the top of the trade details, along a sidebar or inside an Actions menu. When you turn this on, you're enabling public sharing for that single trade. Before you do, it's a good idea to quickly review the visible details on the page and remove anything you don't want to publish online. Remember, sharing makes the trade accessible to anyone with the link, so keep personal notes and sensitive information private if you don't want them included. Once you've enabled sharing, Tradervue will generate a public link for that trade. You'll see a unique URL you can copy. Use the copy icon if it's provided, or just select the link and copy it with your keyboard. You can now send that link through email, chat, or your community platform of choice. Recipients will be able to open it in their browsers and view the trade without needing to sign in. A quick tip: paste the link into a new browser window or a private browsing session to preview exactly what others will see. If at any point you change your mind, go back to the same Share Trade control and turn it off to stop public access to that page. That's all there is to it. Open the trade you want to share, enable the Share Trade option, and copy the generated public link. Used thoughtfully, this feature makes collaboration, feedback, and accountability much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy journaling.